Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your iPhone internet connection with other devices. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, swipe up to enter to Control Center, then long tap on Connection Block. After that, turn on Mobile Data and next turn on Personal Hotspot. Internet connection is already working for other devices, but it works if you have already set up an internet connection before. Otherwise, let's set it up. Open the settings, next tap on Mobile Data and turn it on. After that, we can turn the Personal Hotspot on. Tap on it and turn Allow others to join on. Next, select a Wi-Fi password for your internet connection. Here you can change the password. After you change the password, tap Done at the top right of the screen. Congratulations! Now you can connect other devices to your internet. The network name is the name of your device, and the password is the one that we set. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.